Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove app icons from Samsung home screen, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Samsung phone and go to the home screen page where the app icon you want to remove is located. Step 2. Next, find the app icon you want to remove from the home screen. Simply tap and hold the icon until a small menu appears on the screen. Step 3. Once the menu appears, look for the Remove option. Tap on it, and the app icon will instantly disappear from your home screen. Don't worry, this won't uninstall the app, it just removes the shortcut from your home screen. Step 4. If you ever want to add the app icon back to your home screen, it's easy. Swipe up or go to your app drawer where all your installed apps are listed. Step 5. Now find the app you want to place back on the home screen. Press and hold the app icon, then drag it toward the bottom menu. Once you reach the home screen, move it to your preferred location and release it. That's it. You've successfully managed your home screen icons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.